Hi folks, it is time for science, and this is your daily agenda for Thursday, April 16th. So we are going to understand evidence of evolution. To do that, you will finish up the next set of actively learned readings, complete your weekly quiz, and work on your roadmap. Please make sure that you are also taking care of that attendance quiz today. So let's go ahead and jump into Google Classroom and see what that looks like. We'll go into classwork, and again, things are organized from oldest to newest, so you will have to scroll down to the bottom of this category to find our stuff for this week. And you'll see our attendance question will go live at 7 a.m. and be open until 4 p.m., and then you'll find your Actively Learn assignment. Same idea as last time. Go ahead and just go through. There are 4. We've broken it up into half and half. And make sure that you're in the classroom so you can get credit for it. A lot of folks have been saying these are very straightforward and fairly simple, but they still get the ideas across. And remember that these are completion based, but you might expect to see quiz questions from Actively Learn. So make sure you're taking your time and doing your best, and if you don't get something, go back and ask some questions. The last thing is, since this is the end of the week, you will have your weekly quiz. It is going to be open when class starts on Thursday and be open until Friday at 11:59. Again, this is like any other weekly quiz. Any notes that you have taken, including the roadmap, are fair game, but you should not be using Google or your classmates, because this is supposed to assess your own knowledge, not someone else's. Try to take about 15 minutes to complete it, and then again, I will release your scores with the half credit attempt values later in the week. We'll go ahead, and then again, I'm just going to mention, please be working on your evolution roadmap. You'll be happy to get it done piece by piece. There is this suggested timeline that gives you what you should be doing each day, and it does honor your 4-day weekend, and you are not expected to work on anything over your break. And then the roadmap assignment itself, I did not bother with the create a student copy or this or that, so you should just be expected to click on this and create your own copy, submit your own copy. You can do that by clicking the 3 dots in the corner here, open in a new window, and it should give you the option now in a new window to either open with one of these apps or download it. That is an option for you to access the roadmap. So it takes one extra step, but y'all are tech savvy. I believe in you to be able to access that assignment. All right, that's about it for this week. Again, making sure you're doing the attendance question, the Actively Learn, and the weekly quiz, and be working on that roadmap. You do not have to work on the roadmap over your 4-day weekend. So I hope this helps. I'm available during class time if you need any assistance, and also through email. Best of luck. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.